Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2014 Vauxhall Mokka. Now of course, as you can see, you get your halogen daytime running lights. You also get front parking sensors, front fog lights. Then coming around to the side, you also get these brilliant 18-inch painted alloy wheels, of which I will go into each and every one, just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do get. But coming around to the rear now, we've got your rear parking sensors at the back. Then into the tailgate, we have got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that will fold flat with the boot floor. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth interior with your patterns in the middle. We've then got full electric windows all round. Into the front, we've then got plenty of room. You've got your 5-speed manual gearbox in the middle. Got your parking sensors on and off button, stop start on or off. We've got your climate control settings. As you can see, you've got the degrees just there. Then coming around again, up to the top, we've got your stereo settings. So we've got your radio, CD, auxiliary. And then of course, coming up to the top, we've got your little heads-up display in the middle. Over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control on the left hand side, settings just there. Your Bluetooth hands-free, volume, and your search button is just there. Your onboard computer controls are on the indicator stalk just there. Then we've got your windscreen wipers there as well. This car has only done 55,240 miles, but jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Mokka, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.